Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to delete your just markets trading accounts step by step. If you are done trading or just want to close your account for security reason, this quick guide will help you do it safely and properly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the justmarket.com. Here you can see on my screen, and now log in using your email and password. Once you are in your client area, you will see your profile dashboard with your all your trading accounts listed. So before closing your account, make sure you withdraw all remaining funds from your trading wallet accounts. Cancel any open trade or pending orders. Download any statement or records you may need for future reference. You can't close an account if there's money in it or if it has active traders. Just market doesn't offer a direct delete account button. So here you can see this. Then so to permanently close your account, you will need to contact their support team. Here, click the live chat, then icon on the website, or go to the help or support section. Trade area. In your messages, say something like, "Hey, I would like to permanently close and delete my Just Market account. Please let me know the steps required." They may ask for identity verification before processing the request. Then once support receive your request, they will verify your identity, ask you to confirm that all balances, and here you can see on my email to then ask you to confirm that all balances with withdrawal. Then they will deactivate it or delete it your account. Sometimes they deactivate it instead of full deletion due to financial regulation, but your access will be disabled and your personal data may be removed as per their privacy policy. Will also receive a confirmation email once the account is closed. So after your account is deleted, unlink any connected apps like MetaTrade 4 to 5 and delete the just market apps from your phone. Revoke access from your Google Facebook account if you use them to sign in. Clear safe password from your browser and security, and that's it. So hope you are enjoying this video and it helps to you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.